Hi, YouTube friends and followers. This video is basically how to get uDeploy, IBM's Urban Code uDeploy, to work on Ubuntu type Linux OS. And in this case, I'm using Mint. So here, I've basically installed Urban Code on this system, which is basically a VM running on my iMac. And what I want to do is get uh, the server to boot up automatically. So IBM does have a list of things I can do to make that happen. And so here's what we're going to do. I've done this once before, so I'm just going to do it again and show you people how to do this. I want to run this thing locally at home instead of at work. So basically, I'm going to change this file here in blue on the server and put this stuff into it. Because we're running on a version of Linux which is not Red Hat, so we're running like the Ubuntu/Mint version, we're not going to use checkconfig. We're going to use this command here, which is not that one, it is this update command. So update-rc.d, and we'll try to use that. I've done this before and it's worked fine, so let's get on with it. So here, I'm just going to grab this file here and do a VI on it. Copy that one. We'll do a VI on this guy here, which of course is an edit. There's the file. I want to find this thing here. Let's find that thing. Okay, so what I did last time was I commented out this thing. And I actually have access from a different server. So I'm going to copy the code, not type it in, just copy it and show you what I did here. Okay. Trying to copy the stuff off here for you. Okay, there, I got it. Okay, so just going to comment out this code here. And going to paste in some stuff that I did before. There it is. So this is the correct change to make to that file. Server, and that's the location of the IBM software there. And I'm going to run this root. That's probably not the best thing to do, but since I'm at home, I really don't care. I just want to make this work. So anyway, we got those parts done. Now, we got to make a symbolic link here. And that doesn't look too bad. Let's first run this command here, which should be the same on Mint Linux. So let's get out of this file. Okay, let's do the other command there. And this should be the same. Okay, yep, there it is. Now I'm going to get this link. And this will be called UCD server. So we're going to link this code from the IBM installation area and link that startup script to be in initd. And that'll do it. There's our link that went in. Okay, next thing we do is we do this check config at server. That is what you do with Red Hat. Since we don't have Red Hat, we're running Ubuntu, we have to make a different command here. So let's go back over here and say update blah blah service defaults. Okay, I'm going to grab this. And paste that thing here. And service, I'm going to call it UCD server. So let's edit that. And that should work. Okay, it did. Okay, what's next? Let's go back to our cheat sheet here for Ubuntu, and we want to now do this thing. Don't want to remove it, so this will be a start. And I think that's all we do. So this command here will allow it to start up when the server boots on one levels 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's put in UCD server here. There we go. Looks like that's not quite right. I think I take out this 20 here. Last time I did this was a little different. Let's try it like that. Nope. Interesting. I'm going to look back at the old server here I'm working on and get the history command and see what I did. Sorry about that. It's probably longer than you guys want. I'm going to do a history grep for update -rc d on my other server here, and see what we get here. Okay. Can't find anything really. Probably got to go up as root on the other server here. Maybe one is root. Sorry that I'm not showing you the stuff. I'm on a different server here. Okay, history. Type in the grep. Look for update dash. There it is. Okay, so how did I do this, people? So the command is enable 345. Sorry, this took so long. Let me grab that and copy it over here. So here's a command that works after all this drama. This is the one we want. Paste. Let's do it. Boom. UCD server. What did I do wrong here? UCD server defaults 20. UCD server. Oh, I know I did wrong here. I didn't copy the rest of it here. Here we go. So let me get this right. Here we go. This will fix it. All right. I forgot the update command. Okay, so that finishes it. So in theory now, if I reboot this thing, the JVM for this should come up. So if we go to rc.d, let's see, we're here. There's the UCD server right there. It's a different color, so it's probably got different permissions. Let's see, what is UCD server? UCD server is a link. Okay, it's a link. Well, that makes sense. We knew that. Okay, let's try and start this thing. Let's first make sure it's stopped, which it should be stopped. Okay, so it's not going to do anything. Let's start it. So this is starting up Urban Code uDeploy now. Okay, well, that's pretty terse, right? Let's do a PS minus EF. Let's see, this thing's going. Yep, it's running. So there's the server running right there. Let's turn it off and do a stop on it. Okay, it's taking longer, so it's working. Let's do a grep. It's gone. Start it again. Okay, it's running. So I think the port is 8443 on it. So what if I say, I think that'll wake it up. Can't be reached. I might have the port wrong. Let me see what the port number is supposed to be here. 8443. Or else my firewall's on or something. I wonder if it gives a port in this thing somewhere. Sometimes you can see the port number in the JVM. Don't see it there. Okay, so I'm on a different server now, on a different system looking for this thing. To document it for you. So it looks like it is an HTTPS connection. And yet, I don't see it here. Oh, there it is. So it is port 8443. HTTPS 8443. Okay, let's get our IP address here. IP address in this little guy is what? 22.1. Okay, that looks right. Okay, it is working. So son of a gun. Okay, this thing is working. So let's go to advanced here and let's proceed to unsafe connection. And there's my uDeploy right there. So that's how you do it. And uDeploy is working. I should be able to log in with admin. That's why I set it up. Yep, there it goes. All right, so this is how to run uDeploy and get the service running. Now the trick is, will it survive a reboot? You want to check that the system can reboot and uDeploy still works. So let's try that out. This will take some time, sorry about that. There's a VM coming up. Here's my Mint VM coming up here. Take that off. It's rebooting. Okay, there's Mint coming back up. I'm running a hard drive on this old iMac, so it's not going so fast here. I can hear my disk kind of grinding. I should put an SSD in this iMac, but I just don't want to take it all apart. I've never taken an iMac apart before, yet. Okay, here comes Linux Mint coming back up. Okay, there I am. Gonna go back onto the same server here and log in. Okay, let's see if we can do a ps -ef. Okay, looks like the JVM's up, running urban code. Let's do a refresh here. Yep, it came back up. So this all works. So I hope this long video was helpful for you. I'm sorry it was so long, but that's how it is when you're learning. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Hopefully you're getting along well with uDeploy and Urban Code from IBM. Thanks for watching.